Good day everyone, my name is Solomon Gift. So today I'll be walking you through the Uniswap platform and we'll be covering some of these topics. What is Uniswap? How to connect your Uniswap wallet, supported wallets, how to swap, and we'll just briefly look at the pool, what it really means and what you can do there, and we'll also look at the settings bar too. There's the settings bar. We'll also look at this. So the goal is to keep the video as simple as possible, so some persons would be able to follow on as I explain. So next thing, I'll have to push this window aside. So basically, Uniswap is a platform where you can swap from one token to another, especially the ERC20 tokens. It's a platform where you can swap them easily from Ethereum to Link or any other ERC20 token. So once you visit the Uniswap platform, this is the link, app.uniswap.org, you would have this window. This is the window you would have, and if you check, this is like the token you're swapping from. These are all ERC20 tokens. These are the tokens you're swapping from. If you don't know the name of the token, you can simply paste the address here. I'll do another video where I would explain most of these things in-depthly, but for now I just want to scratch the surface for those that already know about smart contracts and ERC20 tokens and all that. They'll be able to follow up easily on this. So here you can select the token you want to receive. These are different ERC20 tokens. You can select the one you want to receive. So what this means now is explaining here. What it means now is, let me say, okay, I pick Ample. What this means is I'm submitting a certain quantity of Ethereum, say 0.1, and I want to get the equivalent in Ample. That's what this means. So I'm selling 0.1 Ethereum to get the equivalent in Ample, 46.87, and this is the price per Ample. This is what this shows you. It's the price, and here you have the minimum amount you're going to receive once you perform this swap. This is the minimum amount you're going to receive, and later you can just go through some of these caution signs here, some of the messages. You can go through that. It's like the price impact. And this is like the liquidity provider fee. So I don't want to dive into explaining all of this now. I'll do that in another video because I just need this video to be as short as possible, probably 3 minutes or at most 4 minutes. So basically, that's the very basic thing you can use Uniswap for, to swap from one ERC20 token to another, get the equivalent. So next, before you can perform this, as you can see, you have to connect your wallet before you can continue with this transaction. And in order to do that, you click on the connect wallet. Now there are various supported wallets that you can connect to Uniswap, and there are various methods you can do this too. So if you're using like a Windows system, you can make use of like a web wallet like the MetaMask. But if you're using like an Android device where you have installed some other ERC20 token supported wallets, you can simply click on connect via Wallet Connect. Now once you do this, all you have to do is, if you have Trust Wallet installed, which is very much supported, you scan this, you open your Trust Wallet and you scan this to connect your wallet. So before the end of this video, I would connect my wallet. Now that's what you have to do in order to connect using Wallet Connect. Now you can also use Coinbase Wallet if you have that installed, and you can also make use of Automatic. Also use this, but what I would advise most persons to make use of, if you're not a new trader, you can just make use of your web wallet, the MetaMask. But if you are mostly trading via your phone, an Android device, or a tablet, then you have to download Trust Wallet and you make use of Wallet Connect. So in the next few minutes now, or seconds per se, I would connect my wallet. So let me just scan this barcode right now. So while you're scanning the barcode from your Android device, you would get a notification prompting you to approve, and once you approve, your wallet gets connected. So as you can see here, my wallet is connected. This is my balance. I have 0.2213 Ethereum. That's what I have. So assuming now that I want to swap from Ethereum to Ample, and I want to swap 0.1 Ethereum, this is the equivalent I would get. And if I click on swap now, it would, let me just briefly do this, okay? So as you can see, it says 0.1 Ethereum to 46.8 Ample. This is the estimate. This is what would drop on my wallet. Now currently, gas fees on Uniswap, they're extremely high. If I want to proceed with this, the gas fee will be nothing less than $10. This is the price of Ample I would receive. This is like the price impacts based on what I said. So I would explain that later. This is the fee that goes to the liquidity providers. I will explain that in a later video. I just need us to know how to use this Uniswap here. But these other terms, I'll just make a video to explain that. So once I confirm this swap, it's halfway done. But that's not what I want to do right now. But this is how to swap from Ethereum to Ample. So next, I would show, this is my wallet address, showing you that it's connected. This is the wallet. Assuming I want to disconnect, I can click on disconnect. If I want to change and connect a different wallet, I'll just click on the change. If I want to copy this address, assuming I want to claim my Uniswap tokens, which is something that people have been doing since I think on the 17th or 18th of September. Yeah, that the Uniswap released their governance tokens. People have been claiming. So I've actually claimed it with this, my wallet address. I've claimed it with this. This is one of my wallet addresses that I use for trading. I've claimed it with this, and it was 400 Uniswap tokens, which when I claimed it, it was around $1,250 or so. But currently now, that same 400 Uniswap tokens is over $3,000. So I'll briefly show you, if you wanted to claim, how you would do that. Just copy the address, copied, and once you go to this menu button here, click on claim UNI in the Uniswap token, and you impute your wallet address here. So once I paste this wallet address, it's showing me here that address has no available claim. That's because I have already claimed it. So you can see this right now. So that's about that. Okay, so next I'll be explaining these settings, not in details but just briefly. So this is slippage tolerance, trying to tell you the minimum price or the maximum price change for the transaction to be reverted or not go through. So that's just what it means. Your transaction will revert if the price changes favorably by more than this percent. Yeah. So this is your transaction deadline. As someone using Uniswap for the first time, I would advise you don't tamper with these settings. You just leave it at 0.5%, 20 minutes deadline. You can toggle the dark mode, but it's best you don't tamper with this if you're just trying to use the Uniswap platform for the first time. So if you we're able to follow up everything I've just done here. I think you should be able to carry out your first swap on the Uniswap platform. It's not difficult, it's not really rocket science. It's that easy. It's very, very, very easy. At the same time, I can choose to swap from Ample to Ethereum, but I don't have AMP because as you can see my balance here is 0, so I won't be able to do that. And this obviously shows you the price, how many AMP can get you 1 Ethereum and all. You can see insufficient balance and maximum sold and every other details. So that's about that. So clearly we've been able to see the very basic way of using the Uniswap platform and how to connect your wallets, specifically if you're using an Android version wallet, how to pair it using Wallet Connect. And the example I gave of a wallet you can use was Trust. I make use of Trust Wallet. There are also so many other supported wallets, and we have seen how to swap. So the last thing I should be talking about here is the pool. And okay, so this is the pool. This is strictly for liquidity providers, and the aim of this video is not really to explain what liquidity means, but just to show you what you can do here. That's for liquidity providers. So I'll make another video which will be more detailed, and I'll explain what liquidity means and how to provide liquidity and who are the liquidity providers. So I'll do that, but the idea of this video is just to keep it very simple so that you can know how to swap from one token to the other and possibly see how you can claim your Uniswap tokens in the future, because this last one clearly you've missed that. Right now I'll just have to disconnect my wallet before leaving, and it's that simple. I've disconnected my wallet. Very simple. So thank you very much, and stay tuned for my next video where I will dive into explaining what liquidity means, liquidity pool means, and how to provide liquidity for different trading pairs and all of that. So I'll really take my time to explain that. So thank you very, very, very much.